Hi, this is William from Intellidrone Studio. Today I'm going to share with you a quick and easy tip to train a camera operator for the Inspire 2 without breaking the bank. This is not going to be a replacement for actual flight time and cooperation between the camera operator and the pilot, but will give you an inexpensive and cheap way to train your fingers and build up your muscle memory. Okay, so just look at that. Okay, no, I'm not joking. This is how I trained my camera operator, and she didn't have a previous experience, but was able to do this. So, if she can do something like this, you can do it too. Just find an elevated spot near a road with enough traffic in both directions, place your Inspire 2 on top of it and start tracking the vehicles. The higher it is, the better, because when the car approaches, you need to compensate. To keep the car in the frame, you have to move your gimbal up and down, and this will give you a much better training. If you can't find a spot near a road with enough elevation, just drive your car, park wherever is possible, and place your Inspire 2 on top of it. It works just as well. This technique has the advantage of being very non-impactful on your budget, because the batteries will last for about 3 to 4 hours compared to actual flight time, where the Inspire 2 tops at about 20 minutes. Of course, this technique has a few limitations depending on the season and where you live. High ambient temperature and direct sunlight is a real problem, because the batteries are going to overheat, and they should ideally not go beyond 45 degrees. Even the drone core is going to overheat, so be mindful of the temperature. Usually I don't train if the ambient temperature is beyond 20 degrees, more or less. Of course, it is not going to make you a DJI camera operator overnight, but it's going to make things really simpler in the beginning. Okay, so I hope this tip was useful, and see you on the next video.